Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we got a 1965 Pontiac LeMans. This is a GTO clone car. Does have a 400 under the hood. We've got power steering. Should be disc brakes in the front. Let's see. Yeah, disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. Overall, a very nice, clean car. You can check out the walk around detailed video at the end of this test drive. It should pop up around the last 30 seconds. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. I post videos of classic cars almost every day. If you go to maplemotors.com, that is our website. We have all new inventory showing up January 4th, and there'll be tons of videos popping up. But maplemotors.com offers financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. All right, guys, we're gonna take this thing down the road. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, guys, before we take off, gonna look around the interior, check this thing out. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Little game we like to play on the channel. Interior, and this is in pretty good shape. I like the carpet. It looks nice and clean. The seats are clean. Everything seems to be all right. Got a little bit of a warm temperature today, so about halfway through this test drive, I'm going to take the top down and drive it on back to the lot. This one started up awesome this morning. I should have got a cold start on it. Let's see. The watch is trying to send something random to somebody. All right.
I won't send it.
Okay, thank you. We'll try the heater here. I don't think the blower motor is hooked up to this one. It's a pretty old radio there. I noticed that knob was kind of loose, so radio's not cutting on either. But we do have gauges under the dash here. The oil pressure is coming up and is around 60, 55, 60. And the engine temperature is creeping up. Let's try our clock. It's not working anymore. I can show you the miles, but I cannot stand behind them. Talking 91,000 there. Windshield wipers, they go pretty fast. Good to go there. Horn, you ready? No horn on this one. All right, guys, we're gonna take off down the road. Anything I see, I will let you know. I mean, why not? We'll go ahead and take the top down. It's not too bad. It's about 57 out here. The day before Christmas Eve. Let's go ahead and drop the top. Comes down pretty fast. Good deal. So we got the top down, but I'm going to leave the windows up. That way there's not too much wind noise coming around in the car as we're driving. All right, I'm going to put my seatbelt on before we take off here. Click that in. Couldn't ask for a much better day. Let's see if we can keep the wind down in here for y'all. All right, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna call it how it is here. Speedometer is coming up on the dash. The gas gauge is floating around a quarter tank. Need to tighten my mirror up. We're going straight as an arrow down the road. It's not pulling to the left or right. Steering's pretty tight. I mean, you got a little bit of slack. Kickdown is hooked up on this one, and the car is pulling strong. Let's try our brakes. We don't have nobody behind us. Brakes are stopping fast. They do pull a little bit to the left. Not much at all. Probably just picking up some dust from those back brakes, the drums. I'll give you an update on that about halfway through the test drive. Be nice if that heater worked right now. Turn signal is popping up in the dash. It's just one in the middle there, and that's for both sides. We're gonna pull in this parking lot right here, get some undercarriage shots, showing off everything with a big light, and drive by the camera, listen to it, see what it looks like and sounds like as it passes the camera. Give you a better idea about the car. Look below in the description. I have Amazon links to all of the gear that I use. All right, we made it over here. Let's get these shots. Okay, getting ready to roll out of here. Been circling around the parking lot. Our engine temperature is good. Oil pressure's still at 40. All right, let me get my seatbelt on and we'll roll out of here. Tell you what, I'm gonna roll that window up and this one. That way we don't have too much wind noise messing up the video here. We'll go on down to this next exit. It's not all tore up. Okay, let's take off. Belt squeal. I've been hearing it when you rev it up, get the R's up on this car, the belt starts squealing. plenty of power. I got down on it when I passed the camera earlier and it started spinning that back right tire. Speedometer seems pretty accurate too. Suspension's nice and smooth. This is a good one here. We're gonna turn on that road with a speed bump, go as fast as we can and hit it. You won't even notice we went over it in this car. It's just gonna float right by it. I'll point it out to you though. It's coming up right here. Boom. We're right around the corner from the car lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull back in there, grab another ride, and do some more test drives today. We put out videos every day, so hit that subscribe button. And if you don't mind, share these videos. It helps us out greatly. Definitely helps us get more subscribers. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all later. Hey, if you don't mind, jump on over to maplemotors.com. Check out all of our inventory. We're going to update that January 4th with about 20 new cars. So be sure to check that out. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We post videos every single day. We'll try to help you out, so give us a call, 615-822-4444, and hit that subscribe button. Y'all have been sharing my videos for a while now, and I appreciate it. You're definitely getting us out there. And thanks again, guys. Y'all have a good one.